Palang gabi. So, ayan. Magluluto po tayo ng handa natin bukas at kasama natin ang ating partner. Ayan, nag-prepare siya. Yan lang pong luto namin ngayon para bukas. Siya magluluto ng spaghetti at ako naman macaroni. Pero dalawa yung gagawin naming sauce ng spaghetti. At yung iba, lulutuin nila bukas. So, kasama ko siyang magluluto ngayon. So, yan. Ito para sa macaroni. Ito yung ingredients niya. Fried chicken. At iba pa. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung lulutuin niya na spaghetti. Yung sauce niya. Dalawang sauce ang gagamitin niya. At ayan. Yung pasta. At gatas. Ayan. So, yan mga ingredients natin. Our chef for today.
You don't throw anything. Okay.
So,
What time is it, darling?
it's already 1.
Oh my gosh, 1:12.
Yeah, it's already 1. Okay, so he start to saute the onion and then he put the carrots, after that the garlic and then the celery. So here he is. So anyway, this is the ingredients. Meat, bell pepper, and then spaghetti sauce, Filipino, and then basilicum, okay, and tomato sauce, and then cream, Nestle cream also, we can put Nestle cream, and then the hot dog.
Nestle cream, it's not here. You see, we put all the vegetables, it's in the bag, in the bag. And then we cook. That's it's the good in big pot. So you don't need to remove or you take out. So you can only put it in the side. It's still hot, keep hot. It's not overcooked. To continue to cook. Then you can cook more. I think it's ready. It's almost ready here. So we put it again on the side. On the side. This a little. I don't want it over, so I want only a little bit. To give a little color on the you cook with colors. Let's give a little also the taste of the gamba. It's give a good taste. Taste. Now mix it again. You can mix it. Mix. See? Mix. Wow. See? It's amazing. It's a sauce that you can also even eat that with the bread like that. No need even pasta. This you want also?
Oh.
Okay, so here after we heat all the onion and the vegetables and the meat and the hot dog, we make in the side the tomato sauce. We put all the oregano, we put basilicum, garlic, tomato, and we heat that. We add a little water, of course, salt, and we add it to our vegetables and the meat, and we are mixing now until it's hot. And then we balance the taste. After we taste it, if it's need a little more salt, need a little more sugar or something like that, so we will add. That's it. And how as you look, it's very rich with vegetables, with meat. It's not only water and tomato.
Well, it's already cooked. It's ready for the pasta. So, we want to put also with the sauce, and we cook another sauce.
Hi. First we here have milk cream sauce for pasta. Okay, we saute the onion and the garlic, and then after that we add the mushrooms. After we add the mushrooms, we give it a little time, and then we add the milk and the cream, and we boil it a little, and then after we heat, we give the taste. The taste we give oregano a little, basilicum a little, and then salt and garlic powder. That's it. That's all. After that, we heat it, mix it, we taste again to check if it's tasty, if need to add something or it's enough, and that's it. Tomorrow we put milk and creamer. Yeah, I said we put milk, but tomorrow, because we don't use it today, we still make it like a water. You know, it's like a soup. Okay, but tomorrow we will add the corn flour. We add it here to this sauce, and it will become really sauce. Okay, as now it's look like a soap,
Watery.
but it's not. Okay, it's watery, yeah. But tomorrow we put it with. I don't want to put now corn flour and to heat it tomorrow. Tomorrow we will heat it again, and then we put the corn flour a little more, and it will be very, very creamy as a sauce. Like this, in the middle, okay, and like this. Okay, now it will fall down alone, slowly. Okay, and it's important not to mix too much time. Okay.
Let it be like that.
Yeah, it will fall down alone.
Hi, by the way. Good evening. Say hi. cook the pasta, the sauce of pasta. So we have 2 sauce of pasta. What's that pasta? 2 sauce of pasta.
It's milk, cream, and tomato with meat and hot dog.
Yeah, that's what we done a while ago, and even the macaroni we also did, and the Mr. Gulaman we did also. So we prepare for tomorrow. So because tomorrow is Thanksgiving for our engagement on that day of 27. So thanks God for everything.
Amen.
So we are here already at my work, so I need to go. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.
Bye bye. Good morning.
We really enjoy it. Even we spend a lot of time, but we enjoy it together.
Yeah, amen, amen.
Yalla, bye,
For
Habibi.
more, a lot of years together.
Amen. Bye, love you.